Kiwi Syslog Server provides the ability to convert the IP addresses of syslog messages to a customized hostname, making it easier to track logs. Go to File, Setup, and click DNS Resolution. Now enable the checkboxes Resolve the IP address of the sending device and Resolve IP addresses within the message text. Expand DNS resolution. Go to DNS caching and enable Preload the cache with static entries from a host file. Browse for the file called statichosts.txt and edit that as a text file. Here you can add the IP address of the source device sending the syslog messages and the corresponding hostname that you wish to see. The IP address and the hostname must be separated with a tab. A space is not recognized as a valid separator. Select this host file in the DNS caching screen in Kiwi. Return to the monitoring console, and you will see the hostname field being populated with the customized hostname. Kiwi Syslog Server simplifies syslog monitoring and provides you with a host of customization and administration options. For more information on Kiwi Syslog Server, contact Kiwi Sales at SolarWinds.com.